How to remove an item from buy again on Amazon. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily remove an item from buy again on your Amazon app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open your Amazon app. Then here tap on your profile in the bottom here. Then wait for this page to load. Once the page is loaded, here you will see the recommended items. So you have to tap on view your browsing history, and from here you can remove from view or you can remove from your recommendations. Tap on remove from view and it will be removed. So this is how you can remove an item from buy again or recommendations on your Amazon app. Thanks for watching.